Dear students, look at the screen. What do you see? Your answer may be flowers. And if I ask you the second question, how are these flowers? You may say beautiful. The adjective beautiful tells more information or gives more information about the word flowers. The adjective beautiful modifies the word flowers. So the word beautiful is a modifier. Today we will talk about some pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. Let's start with infinitive. What is infinitive? Infinitive is to plus verb in base form. If I say the sentence, I want to learn English. To learn, it is infinitive. And what is infinitive phrase? Infinitive phrase is something more than infinitive. Infinitive plus extension is called infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase is the infinitive form of verb plus any complements and modifiers. Look at the example. The person is saying, I want to bury the treasure quickly. So what does this person want? He wants to bury the treasure quickly. Here to bury is infinitive, and to bury the treasure quickly, the total part is infinitive phrase. After to buy, we get a complement or direct object, the treasure, and then we get a modifier, quickly. Can you identify infinitive phrase in this sentence? Yeah. In this sentence, to paint the door. I repeat, to paint the door is infinitive. Next, let's talk about quantifiers. What is a quantifier? A quantifier is a determiner or pronoun that expresses quantity. For example, all, both, these words are quantifiers. Why do we use quantifiers? We use quantifiers when we want to give someone information about the number or amount of something. If I ask you a question with how much or how many, you may give me some answer. Okay, you may say, if I ask you, what do you see in the picture? You may say, some boys are playing football. Here, some is quantifier. Some quantifiers sit before countable and uncountable nouns. All, some, more, a lot of, enough, no, any, most, lots of, less. These quantifiers sit before either countable noun or uncountable noun. But some quantifiers sit only with countable nouns. Many, each, either, few or a few, several, both, neither, fewer. We use these quantifiers with countable nouns. We use some quantifiers with uncountable nouns. For example, we use much, a bit of, a little with uncountable nouns. Next, let us talk about intensifier. What is an intensifier? An intensifier is a word, especially an adjective or an adverb. For example, so, very, that makes the meaning of another word stronger. How is the girl? She is strong. What about this boy? He is very strong. So if we compare, who is stronger, the boy or the girl? Obviously the answer will be the boy. What makes the boy stronger? The use of the word very. So very gives the boy strength and he becomes stronger than the girl. We can use so also as intensifier. I have given some structures. So can be used before adjective or adverb. Then let's talk about determiner. A determiner is a word such as the, some, my, etc. that comes before a noun to show how the noun is being used. We know the uses of articles, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, possessive, my, his, her, your, our, their. We use quantifiers, we use numerals. All these things are called determiners. Sometimes in a sentence, two nouns sit together. And if we use two nouns together, the first noun is used like an adjective. It takes the place of an adjective. That's why the first noun will be modifier and that noun will be called noun adjective. Look at the first sentence. We enjoyed a football match yesterday. What type of match? Football match. I could say enjoyable match. Enjoyable is adjective. But here I am saying football match. So football, the word football is taking the place of an adjective enjoyable. Okay, if a noun takes the place of an adjective, it is also adjective. Have you tried to fill in the gaps? This way, we can say sea beach. Sea is a noun, beach is another noun, train journey, bus journey, plane journey. Okay, train is noun, journey is another noun. Train is here. Train is here taking the place of an adjective. That's why it will be called noun adjective. Country house, that means village house. Yacht ticket, bus ticket, train ticket. Next, let us talk about adjectives. Adjectives always modify nouns. I have given some nouns with gaps. Can you try to fill in the gaps with adjectives? So, you are going to get 1 minute to fill in the gaps with suitable adjectives. Start now, please. I hope you have finished your writing. Okay? What can we use, or which adjective can we use before the word poet? It may be great poet, renowned poet, famous poet, English poet, national poet. So we can use a lot of adjectives before the word poet. Then before family, noble family, rich family, aristocratic family, poor family, extended family, nuclear family, or any other suitable word. Before the word water, we can use contaminated water, polluted water, pure water, fresh water, or any other suitable word. Then before language, it may be international language, mother language, first language, second language, or any other suitable word. Before village, it may be global village, native village. Before battle, we can use we can say fearful battle, dangerous battle. Before doctor, we can say, or we can use qualified doctor, we can say qualified doctor, good doctor, experienced doctor. Before prize, prestigious prize, first prize, second prize. Before contribution, outstanding contribution, great contribution, wonderful contribution, remarkable contribution. Before chemicals, poisonous, we can say poisonous chemicals, harmful chemicals, toxic chemicals, or any other suitable word. So the red words that you see on the screen are adjectives, they are modifiers. Then let us look at the possessives. If I say, this is my pen, the word my will make it clear that I possess the pen. So my will be called possessive. This way, look at the green words only. Written in the middle of the chart, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, one's. These words can be used as possessive determiners. Okay, and they are modifiers. Next, let's talk about present participle. What is present participle? Verb plus ing. Verb plus ing works as adjective if I use it before a noun. If I say running bus, the word running will tell me about the condition of the bus. It is a running bus. So what type of bus? Running bus. Running is modifier. It modifies the noun bus. Similarly, shining star. Shining is modifier here. Read this slide to know more about present participle. Verb plus ing is called present participle. Similarly, verb plus ing is called gerund. Where lies the difference? When verb plus ing works as adjective, it is called present participle. When verb plus ing works as noun, it is called gerund. Gerund takes the place of subject or an object. Look at the example. Cycling is fun. Here cycling is the subject, it's gerund. Or if I say I enjoy cycling, cycling is the object, it is also gerund. Let's do an exercise. Dear students, you are going to get 3 minutes to do this exercise. Get ready and start now.